What if your entire workflow ran itself? CRMs, spreadsheets, Slack messages, manual work everywhere. Meet AIAgents. They don't assist. They execute. From sales and marketing to operations and support, AIAgents now run end-to-end workflows across your business. One agent replaces entire workflows. From sales and marketing to operations and support, AIAgents now run end-to-end workflows across your business. At StradiMark, we build custom AI agents for your business, designed to replace entire workflows and operate seamlessly across every department. Stop managing work. Let AI run it.